So you're welcome. And today we'll be talking about the content tab of what of Hubs or of HubSpot. I must point out that the reason why it is called content is because it is a part of this HubSpot suite that was now that helps other part of the business to what to communicate contextually, or should I say textually, or with writing on everything. Because here now, okay, whether you have your events, you have your forms, you have your emails and your campaigns, you still need a part of what of content. Because in your marketing here, some of your events will be shared on what on your website pages. Some of your forms will be connected to your what to your website what pages, or even your landing pages. Okay, then on this same marketing as well, if you have your advertisement here, you can actually use your landing page as what as where people are going to what land on when they click on your what on your advertisement, which is your ADS here. Also your social media here, if you were to give Bobrisky, or you were to give Equi your products to influence for you. Let me even say, so this one now is her site, a digital witch. I think it's NG, right? That kind of thing. Okay, digital witch. Yes, look at it here. This is Equi's web. Oh, that's not it though. I'm coming. So this here is our what? It's our website, and when you, who did this? Person not do this in well. Their SSL right here is what is a website. Okay, this is a website right now. But the thing is that what now is that on this website, can you see that she has blog here? This is a blog page. Okay, so if you click here now, you're supposed to be seeing what her blog content here, but she does not really add something here as well, as blog. Then that means that what now that here now you see that here now we have content here, and then we have what you see that we have blog here now, Abi. So ideally, she's supposed to put her blog content in this part now. Then you can see that here also now we have website pages, Abi. This whole thing here is a what? It's a website. Everything you see here is a what? Is a website. Now all these things that you see here that are like all this about, all this why us, and the rest of them, they are all what website what different pages that what that make up the website. In other words, a website comprises of what of different pages. Okay. Then we still have what now? We still have what a landing page. Okay. Now a landing page is more like when I go to this YouTube now. Okay, I just want you guys to understand what website what a landing page looks like. Okay, so this right here now is a what is a YouTube page now. Okay, let's assume I want to, you see this one is a what, you see this sponsored here means that this one is a what, it's an advertisement now, right? So when I come here now and I click this guy, you see where I landed now. This place here is simply a what? It's simply a landing page, because this is the first page that you'll be landing on when you do what now? When you interact with a what? With an ad link, or just whatever. So this is a what now? It's a landing page. Landing page can actually be your what? Your sales page, where you have actually designed what? Your product, your product what flyer for people to come and read and then do what now? Maybe buy your course or buy your product or your services. So that is just what I want you guys to understand now. So when we start doing it now, you not be like if they speak German, okay? I said that your website pages is what makes up your entire site. This is a what? This right here is a what? It's a website. Everything you see here is a what? It's a website, right? Now we have what? We have the pages here like about us, we have why us, we have how it works, we have facts, we have blog here, right? Then when you talk about landing pages here, it has to do with what now? Like for instance now, if I go to my Facebook page now, or my LinkedIn page, let me see my LinkedIn page here. Okay. Oh, it's not here. Let me go to my LinkedIn page. So this is I have to log into my LinkedIn page here. Now this is my LinkedIn page. If I log in here now and I create a content for you, maybe for your business, okay. Now because I'm an influencer, though I'm not an influencer, but assuming I'm an influencer now, okay, maybe you not give me and say, okay, please take take my stuff, take my product link or my Google form, do what now? Create content about what I'm selling. Maybe I'm selling I'm selling bed sheet and the rest of them. So maybe after I now make posts about bed sheet and that, say buy this bed sheet now. It will help you and your wife to be what now? To be romancing, where it can make you to be sleeping like a baby. It can make you to be dreaming good dream and all of that. Then maybe when I finish, I'll do what now? I will now paste your form link at the bottom of my what of my content now. Okay, so I've done what now? I reach now. I just I use my social media to what now to write a what advertisement for your what for your product or what or your services. Then I now attach a link now, right? Now that link now, when you click on that link, what happens is that what that you'll be ushered to the what now. You'll be taken to my what, you'll be taken to the what to the product page, maybe to go and fill a form and then order whatever the person is what is marketing. Maybe the person they market per sheet, or they market ataba, or they sell whatever. You now go there and do what now? Say yes, you need this kind. You do what now? You can fill a form to what to order that thing that the person is what is selling. That is just what I want you guys to understand. So we are not going to do what now? Start our what? Our website pages now. So I think we are going to do two here. We will do this one here, but not that one. They are all what? They are all similar. So if you can do this one, it means that what that you can actually do the other one, your the other two here. Okay. So in case you have any question about maybe about to design a website on HubSpot or with your HubSpot account, you see, say the person doesn't. My job tonight is to what now? Is to design a what? So design a website for what? For my school business using what? Using HubSpot. How do I do it? It's quite simple, okay? Don't don't be shaking. Don't feel agitated. Just do what now? Just log into your website. Just log into your HubSpot account and do what now? Come down here where they say content here and then click it now. Now they ask us for what now? For website, Abby. So I click on website here and allow it to what to load. Okay. You see now, you say create a website to what to grow your business. Blah 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 blah. What do you do next? Now click on what? Get started. Okay. Technology. Okay. Now you see that we are here now, Abby. Now this thing does not look. In fact, this page shouldn't be new to you. As far as you have been attending my class, this page should not be what? Should not be new to you. In fact, let me even ask. Okay. Now next is to do what? Now click on what? Install. Okay, then I'll do what now? Click on what? This box here, and then click on what? Free install, right? And then now it will now become what? It will be installing small. Can you see now? It's not loading now. It's loading now, saying installing theme. So when you're done, now what do you do? You can now start editing your site small, small. Okay. I think I actually have a one. I think I have okay. Look at it now. See, you see it now. So my next is what now? So click on what? Click on this place here. Now I have to do what now? Put my website here. Can you see where it says website here? You see now, it's saying what? It say 14629 blah 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 dot what dot com. Can you see it now? Then you can now need to what now? You need to name it, Abby. That's okay. Maybe let's call it Ottawa what? Ottawa page. Ottawa what? Ottawa page, right? Then next is to do what? Like, click on what? Click on create page. Okay. So this new team now will what now? It will work for us now, right? It will work for us. So this one now, they're asking us to do what now? To select what we want to work, what we want to work with. This is all the pages that make up the ones that make up the sites. See that we have our thank you page, we have our blank template, landing page form, we have services page and what portfolio form, we have our what home page, we have our what contact page and then FAQ, and then even our what our about us page here, right? So the first things first is the what now? So work on the what on the home page. See our home page here. Now your home page is simply the what the first page that you was that actually showcase your what your business on your website. That is where you have your what your team picture, your product logo, your different your everything about your business is actually on your what on your home page. Okay, so do what now? Click on what select templates, right? And then I'll click on it. You see now it will now load now, and here now I have to what start working on my what on my page now. See now this is where we are now. See how the page will look like when we are done with it. This is how it will look like now. But I still want to change things here. I want to change things around. I don't want it to work to be like this. So what will I do now? I can start changing things. You can see now here is my word now. Here's my Tanwa bread and what beans limited that we used on our email marketing last week, right? Can you give me that name? This is it here now. Then you can see that we have you see that we have a contact us page here. I mean a contact us button here. I can change it. Okay, can click here to what now to change it. You see now, I can do what now. See that you're going to click on this pen here to do what now to change it. See where it says open global content editor here. Click it now. Then you can now do what? Change some things about the home tab of the page now. So this here is our home tab now. You see this is our home tab here. I can click here to what now? To change what is there. You see now that's where the thing is located at. So when I click on it now, see what happened here. You came here now, Abby. Good. Now, what are we doing here? Now, I want to change it now to put something. You see the button here? Click on it. You see where it says contact us here? Look at it here. Contact us. Can you see it now? I can even change it to make it bold. It's okay. I can say, okay, contact us. Contact us what? Today. You see it now? It's not, in fact, it's going to be changing here when I'm done with it. You see now? Now, you can even put a link here that, okay, if they click on this contact us now, what will they do? Maybe if you don't want them to go to your site, what will you do? They can actually do what now? You can actually put your website what? Your website link here, or your website, even your website link, and even put your WhatsApp link here. Okay, so let me also, okay, let me say WhatsApp, whatsapp.com slash what? Slash your phone number, right? Maybe 70 whatever. Right? This one should be what now? This one should be HTTPS, right? And like that. Then when you're not, what do you do now? You can also, okay, what? Apply changes, right? Click on it. You see now setting don't change, Abby. You see now setting don't change. It is not there as what now? Contact us today, right? I think we are done with that. Let me do what? Let me not click here and then go back. Are you sure I'm still in class? So this is it now. So now they said that we should what? We should build this website now. So that means that what now? We are using a team here, and the team should what? Should help us what now? To tailor our what? Our website to resemble or to be a representative for what now? For our business. So this team here just has the default what? Setup, write-ups, right? Our job is to what now? Is to change it to match our what? Our business that we are targeting. So maybe your business name is what? Is Otanwa and Sons Limited. What will you do? You can come here and do what now? You see where they say homepage here? You can even remove this one. Just simply what? Highlight it and do what now? And press backspace on your keyboard and it has gone away. Okay? Okay, maybe even say maybe it's okay. Let me change it one now. Maybe to beans and say beans and bread. Beans and what? Beans and bread. That's your business name, right? Then what about here? Say build and manage your what? Your Hubspot website without code. You can simply copy everything and do what now? Say okay. Say enjoy your what? Your tasty what? Tasty what? Tasty beans and what? Beans and what? Beans and bread what? And bread snack for your lunch today. Can you see now? They're getting there. Oh. Now we have a small button here again. Can you see this button here? I can do what now? I can click on this button now. You see that it became here now. It came to this left side now, and it's saying what? It says what? Learn more. But maybe I want to say, okay, buy beans now. I can say, okay, buy what? Buy beans now. You see that? Thing don't change, Abby? Yes. Then here now I can put a what? Now I can put a link here. Now the link here can be to your what now? To your contact page or to your WhatsApp what? To your WhatsApp what? To your WhatsApp business page for them to come and what? Order your what? Whatever you're selling. So maybe I want to put another page. I will do what now? I can put even my email address there. Let me just put I can even put an email address there. Okay, now some of you want to ask me now, say, Michael, how do I put an email address? Okay, look at it now. Okay, you do what now? You put what? You put what they call what? Mail to. You see it here, mail to, then put what? Column there, and then type your email address there. So let me show you now. The link here now. I cannot click on what? You see this place here? This is our what now? This one shows our what? Our partner what? Our partners. If you not get partner, what will you do? Remove it by clicking on what? This delete here. See it not come out, Abby? Shake and I don't come out. I can even remove this further by clicking on what? Clicking on this. I can even remove this one further here. Okay. Now here is what now? They say what? Hubspot was CMS. Okay. Maybe this partner does not match with your business. What will you do? You can click here and change it to what now? Whatever you feel like. You can even highlight and do what now? Remove. Then click on what now? Say Otanwa what? Otanwa bread and what? Bread and beans what? Beans Limited. Right? Can you see that now? Okay. Then what is this one? I say build your company websites using drag and drop. Abby can change this one to something else. Okay. It's okay. Buy and enjoy your what? Your delicious what? Deliciously what? Deliciously made what? Ewa going what? Ewa going today. That kind of thing, right? I know some of you that are in Lagos here. Some of you that are in Lagos, you understand what I talk about. But if you're in Abakaliki or Anambra or Ikulobia, don't worry. You cannot follow. So here now I cannot do what? I can even add some things here. Maybe because okay, it's okay. This meal is what is rich in what? Rich in what? In protein and what? And vitamins. Okay, promises to what? To nourish, to is it to nourish now? Nourish and what? And refresh your what? Your body and soul. Right? Can you please continue here? Come on, add something here. Maybe okay. Uh, we also what? We also help you with what? With what? More varieties like what? Beans and what? And maybe you know drinking gari, okay, beans and what? Maybe beans and what? Beans and yam, or beans and what? Now maybe beans and what? And corn. Let me say sweet corn. Beans and what? Sweet corn, right? That kind of stuff. You know that if you're in Cameroon, you will eat this. You know that in Cameroon they eat this. You know in Cameroon they eat a lot of beans and corn in Cameroon, right? So here now I can even change this here. Just click on this now, then change it to something that you like. So maybe here now I can say okay, let me change this one. Now I can say okay, and click here and then remove whatever I like. You see that I'll click here now. Can you see it at the bottom on this side here? Click here now. You can see what it says there. I can change it to something else. I can say okay, let me say beans and bread. That is one, right? That is one. I cannot do what now. Let me go back again. Let me I think let me take this back here. So that one is one. I can see click here again now. I can see go back. Let me just go back a bit now. What will I do? This one is a bit different. Let me close this. Come again and do what now? Touch it again and do what now? You see where they see another line here? And then put it here. It's okay. Sorry guys. Coming. Click here and do what now? Highlight again and do what now? Say okay. Bread. Say bread and what? Bread and yam. Okay. Then what again now? I can come again and do what now? Let me click outside here. Then come again, touch it again and do what now? You see where they have this other line here? Click again and do what now? Maybe you can say okay. Maybe you can say okay. Maybe beans and what? Beans and corn. It's okay. Beans and sweet corn, right? Eh. Now, if you notice, like you see that we have a small checker sign here, I can change it to something else. Okay, I can change it to what now? To something else. I can even come here and do what now? Replace with something. See that here and I have other things here, Abi. I can simply, you see this one that is pointing right here. I can change to this one. I can even come down here and then use something. I can even change this one. You see this one? I can use this one, Abi. I can use this one here. I can even still use another one. Let me see. See where they say load more here. Click here and do what now? And you can even put energy. Can you see this energy here? I can use it. Or let me even say this one. Okay, this one is already there. Maybe I want to work with okay, I want to make it a circle, right? I'll select this one now and put it there. You see it now? You see that they have all changed now, Abi? In case you did not get, let me see do it again. Click here to replace that word, that logo there. Maybe I want to use something like, this. Let me use something in the form of yum, 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 yum. Let me use something like this now. You see it now? It has changed here. Then somebody that was asking me about the picture now, Patricia Ochi. Are you still here, madam? Can you give me a voice? Now pay attention now. Are you paying? Can you see my screen very well? Now you said I gave you a picture. Abi, look at it now. Click on this picture here. Can you see it here at the left here? You see it for the left hand side there. Can you see it here? You see something now. Click on replace here and do what now? You can now select your picture from here. So I'm selling beans and bread. I should do what now? I should put beans and bread there. Yes. Now when you put in, what do you do? Can I can even change it what to make to make it bigger, right? I can make it bigger by what? Simply drag. You see, click on it again. Then I can make it bigger by coming to the style here, and then I think I can change it here, make it bigger. Let me see. It's supposed to be bigger now. Why is it not bigger like this? It's supposed to be bigger. Let me change it to maybe to default. Blah blah blah. It's not getting bigger. I want it to become bigger. I can change it somehow. See it here now. You see where they say this you see where they say this maximum size here? Click on custom here and then change it, and then I think I want to go with 650. I think it has to be bigger now. Why is it not bigger? Custom, let me say 1120. 1120. It's supposed to be bigger, man. Why is it not bigger, man? Ore, coming. Let's use 720, right? Still small. Let me use 1120. What's in the sub? Just get bigger. Let me say size. Exact width and space, blah blah blah. I want it to change now to what to become something bigger, right? So I'll do what now? Let me change it to what? Let me change it to 920. Now it's now bigger now. Yes, but it's supposed to be what 620. Yes, can you see it now? You see now, it's now made what something fine and somehow bigger. I mean somehow better here. Can you see? Let me still change this further. Let me change it to about 600. I think it's getting better now. Let me make it let's say 580. Yes, it's now good now. Can you see it now? So this so yeah, you see that we now what now? We are not changing our what now? Our website now to change, to match our what? Our business. You see, they put something here again and say Hubspot CMS. Click again and do what now? Remove this one and change what? Say Otanwa, maybe akara and bread, right? Akara and what? And bread. You see now? Then come down here and do what now? Highlight here again and do what now? Say our what? Our deliciously or our delicious akara is what? Is second to what? Second to none. To none, right? And then you can come and put small description here. Okay. Say fried with the what? With the what? With the most recommended, okay, palm what? Palm oil, okay, spiced with what? With organic pepper, onion, and what? I bet nothing they use again. Yes, and beans. And there are some people used to put okpe yabi and then maybe fresh pepper. That kind. I don't know what they use again. I don't forget. You don't even have fry akara. Okay. So this is just how you do what now. You do it gradually now then until you are done. So here now, can you even change it to what now to akara? This one is just smiling like say she see boyfriend. I'll do what now? Click on this thing here. You see where they say replace here? Click here again. And then select your words. You can now put your akara here, but I don't have akara in mind. Let me get akara. So I do what now? Okay, akara. See akara now that they come as a bit. So I'll do what? Click on these images here. And I'll look for the what? For the most juicy of the what? Of the akara. I think this one is actually juicy here. This is Mama or the akara. Very, very sweet and sumptuous. Oh. This akara bit of this one is not pure akara, please. This thing is too smooth. Akara is never smooth. Akara is always rough. If it's smooth, don't say they don't put fluff inside. This actually is good. I can use this one here because I think this one looks nice. So I'll do what now? I will save this image here. I will save the image. Yes, I have. So I can do what now? I need to use the image here. What I do now? I can come and do what now? Upload the image here by clicking on upload. You see that color here? Select it and do what now? Open. Now do what now? Tap on it one more time. And you see now it has entered there, Abby. Is it now sweet, guys? Now you see that we have a small button here, Abby. So this button now should be what now? Should be now they should have to what now? They have to like order the akara, Abby. So click on the button now and do what now? Edit it. You see where they say learn more here? Click here and do what now? Say buy akara. Or let me say buy hot akara now. Hot akara now. Can you see it now? So when they click here now, they should what now? They should come on my WhatsApp, Abby. So you see where they say URL here. I will now enter my WhatsApp link here. Okay, HTTPS. Okay, column / what? wa.me / your what? Phone number. Phone number should be here, right? And then when you're done, what do you do now? Say okay, you are good. Now next is to do what? Now you see where they say every business deserve what? To manage their website without code, Abby. Don't mind this, remove it. Change it to what now? Say every hustling what? Hustling young lady deserves what? Deserves a what? A portion of what? Of hot akara and what? And beans. Right? That kind of thing, right? It's not for men, please. Men don't eat akara, please. Allow the ladies to be eating akara alone. Because you know the guy said they'll be eating akara with bread. Now you see that we have another picture here again, Abby. So I want to change it now. Do what now? Click on this picture again. In case you did not let me the first time, follow me now. So here now, maybe we have what? We have pap and beans, Abby. So I'll say what? I'll say okay. Otanwa what? Otanwa pap and what? And hot beans, right? Moses, I know say like the well, I know say Moses like the kind of well. As I mentioned this thing, into the swallow spit. I know now. So here now I can change it to what that's okay. Highlight everything again and do what now? Say uh uh our what? Say our pap and hot what? Hot beans is what? Is you know is naturally made naturally made with what? With organic what? Organic corn, right? And what? And beans. Then you can now come and do what now? You can now come and put something here. Say, okay, say guaranteed, guaranteed to what? To nourish your what? Your body and soul. I think my nourish is actually wrong with the spelling. I think I need to put O here. Come back here again and put O. Where did I have it that time? It's here. Here now. I have this nourish somewhere. I don't forget where it did. I can't find it here, but I know that I used nourish somewhere and it was not correct. Yeah. Okay. Okay, look at it here, Abi. Nourish. Yes. Refresh. So you see now, okay? So this is just how you do what now. You can actually design this thing now. And then you'll be good. So here now, I need to change this picture now to what now? To something with what? Akaram what? Say akamu and beans. Say pap and beans. I'll come here now and do what now? You see where we have it here? Look at it here. I think I have a sweet one. Go down. Look at it here. This one is actually nice. This one is a Yabasirat's own. Very, very nice. Somebody says Ibonni. See am now. Bachelorhood won't finish you. Says Ibonni. Eh. You see good one here, Abi? Somebody is shouting Eziboni. I hope it's that one is a student though. You know, I'm going to give out to now. What's when they watch? When also they watch my video for free. If I catch you now go pay me house rent. Let me use this one now. You see this one now what? This one is Akara what? Akara from Ekurobia. Eh? Do what now? Save this one up now and use it for what now? For your picture on your Hubspot, right? Come in here. You know what to do now, Abi? Click on this replace here. Then click on upload and then click on the picture to what now? To upload it there. You see now what do you do? Tap it again and then you see now it don't enter there. It hard? It's not hard. These things are not hard, guys. It's really, really not hard. Now you not just know where to touch. Okay. So here I can do what now? You see this button here, you do what now? Tap on the button. You see where it says here learn more? That's what we have here now. What do you do next now? Copy everything here and do what now? Remove them. What do you do next? Like, it's okay. Maybe say buy pap and what? Buy pap and akara. Now, you see it now? That can be your button there. What do you do next now? Put a link here. If it's your WhatsApp link, what will you do? Just type what? HTTPS colon what? WhatsApp.com/ what? Phone number. You put your phone number there now, okay? Phone number should be there. You can put a dash here. So in case you are thinking that this actually is very, very difficult, it's not difficult, my this. And they can still continue now. So we have another one here. They say what? Say Hubspot CMS. Change it. So this one is your what now? You are simply do what now? You are simply what now? You are simply display your products on this page here. You see now? We have done akara and what? You see akara. You see otama bread and beans, Abi. Here is what now? Here is what? Akara and what? Akara and bread. You see now? Here is what now? Here is what? Pap and hot beans. What about here now? What are we going to put here now? Please, someone should tell me what we're going to put here. What should we put in this part? Akara and weti. I was not working. I can want that. Do they say like that? Okay. Let somebody say moi abi. I don't put on before now. Somebody said we should put moi. Let us use moi. Please let us use moi. Okay, akara and tea. So here now we are going to use what now? You see that we have moi here, but this is what now? My Nigerian food too good, I beg. You can't see this. If you are in the UK, you cannot see this one. Oh. You know they. I want to see better fresh one. You know they now. Now Nigeria na this kind of the shop. Not something natural and what and healthy. Where you go chop finish now. When you release one small mess inside bus, everybody go feel am. They will share grace. So you see now, we cannot come and do what now? We see, you see where we have this picture here now. Click on it now and do what now? Come and do what now? Replace it here. Then do what? Upload and select your what? Your Ninda Wobi and do what now? Click on open, then tap it one more time and it will be there. You see it now? Yes. See, you can say, okay, Otawa what? Otawa spicy what? Spicy moi moi. Oh my god. Then come here and do what now? Come here and put here, say, okay, say, say chill your what? Chill your what? Taste buds with what? With Otawa moi moi. You see it now? Now come and say, okay, can say, okay, uh, normally going to what? To nourish and what? And replenish your what? Replenish your what? Your energy. You see now, what do you do next? Like, also, you see that we have a button here. Be click on the button now and then do what now? Still repeat what you did before. That's okay. Say order moi moi chicken now. Then put your link here to your WhatsApp or your other word or the other page for the word for this product now. Just okay, HTTPS here and then put your WhatsApp link, whatsapp.com/ what phone number, and then you are good, right? And so on and so forth. When you're done, what do you do now? Because okay, maybe here now is where you're going to put your, your recent blog post here. But if you don't have it, what would you do now? Because okay, you can even put a small advertisement. Okay, maybe Otan one special discount, Otan one special what? Special discount. They can put what here now? Because okay, maybe buy five and get what? Get one free, right? Okay, say come and say okay, maybe show us your support for Otanwa business and what? And receive instant what? Instant bonus, right? What do you do now? You be good. This one I don't want this, but what do I do? I can say okay, let me remove it. How do I remove it now? You see now when you highlight it now, when you touch on it now, what do? You can see that there's a what? There's a small something here. Let me come again. You see, I don't want this button here, so I'll do what now? You see, when you touch it now, what do? See that there's a small delete here, Abi. Click it, and the thing don't come out. You don't go back to the village. Here again, the same thing. You remove it now to make your site very, very what? Very, very neat, right? Here's now what frequently you ask what questions. Now here I'll say, okay, let me change this one. I'll click on this now, and I can change it. You see now, this is where the panel is here. Do what? You see that there's a pen here, Abi. Click on the pen, then change it. Okay. Can I order Otanwa moi moi, moi moi for a party? Yes, of course you can. You can say, okay, yes, we deliver what? Moi moi for what? Events and more. Okay, we can even what? Even prepare, freeze, and what? And ship to you in what? In the UK. In it? Yes, eating it. Okay. So you see now, then continue editing Jari, never finish. You want to run past your level. Do what now? Apply changes. Yeah. Now go back down again and do what now? And then continue what you are doing. You see now, thing don't change a bit. Say, can I order Otama moi for a party? You see now? You say yes, we deliver moi for what? Events and more. You can even prepare freeze and worship to you in what? In the UK. What about the other one? I can click here again now. Do what now? You see where they have this pen here? Click on the pen now. You say what? You say, how do I optimize my website for conversation? We don't need this one. What will I do now? Say, okay. How do I contact Otanwa Bread? Bread and Beans Limited. The question will be, what will I do? Come and do what now? Give a small response and say, okay, simply what? Simply, okay, reach out to us by clicking or by what? By visiting our what? Our contact page. Okay. You can also click here to what? To to email us. Okay. So I think I want to now add a link now for my what to my email. Now let me see. I'll click here now to do what now to to add a link to my what to my email now. I'll click on this place here. You see where they say more here. Click on the more now. I don't okay, I don't have it here, but in other places it should be there. I can even use my what I can even use this HTML, but some of you don't know how to code now, so I don't want to go and worry you guys with that one. If not, I would have just use a small href link and then do that one here, but that one is not for your level. Okay, let me not bore you guys with that one. Let you leave it. So here now I can do what now? I can actually do what now? I can even say okay, let me just remove this part now. We don't need, since we cannot put the code there, right? So I'll do what now? Click on what? Apply changes, and we are good. Then I still have one more thing to do here. You say what templates are included in this theme. I don't want this. I will do what now? Remove it. Click on this now. Click on this. You see at the bottom here. Click it now. You say highlight this one and do what now? Change it. Say well now what, please come on, someone should give us another question. Let us put there. Someone should give us another question, please. Angela, give us a question to put there. Thank you very well. Thank you very well. Say what payments methods do you accept? Okay, I'll come and say okay. Say we accept all kinds of what of payments methods, including and also okay, including what? Including PayPal. I will now I think now I'm into what now I can come and list them here. List them here. Do what? Say you can say PayPal, you can say what? Crypto crypto here, specify the what particular crypto, which is going to be what now? USDT. Okay, put in brackets. Then we also accept what? Bank transfer. Okay. We also accept what we I think we also accept what? Credit card. Okay. Then even what? We also accept what again now? Barter. Okay. Trade by what? Trade by barter. Yes, if you know if you give us one bean, we'll give you what? A plate of beans, okay? That kind of thing. So you see now, our site is now what? It's now almost ready. Now can you see now? This is so interesting, Abi. So here now, I don't want this one. What will I do? Touch it and do what? You see this small delete here? Put and there. Don't come out. Do this one, the same thing again. Remove this. We don't need it, right? So you see now, here's our what? Now this is now our what? Our business what? Our footer is here now. I can even change it to what? To something else. I can click on this. See where they say open this, you see what they say open in global content editor here. Click on this now. Okay, and then this your what? Your website footer here. You see here now, Abi. You can see that we can now add content here, and I can say okay. I can say okay. Simply what simply your best what? Your best stop for all original, organic, and hygienically what prepared was Nigeria, let me say prepared Nigerian meals. Okay, then maybe I want to consider my Muslim friends. I'll say what? I'll say okay, we are what? We are halal what? We are halal what? Compliant. If you don't know that thing, please don't ask me what it means. It's not for you, okay? So my Muslim friends, I mean, they know what it means. Okay, let me even put it in another line. I'll put it here. We are what? We are halal what? Compliant. Okay. So now you can now add your what? Your social media pages. See how do you add them? You see this now? You can click on this now. You see them here? Can come here to put on the pen and then put your Facebook link here. This one should be what? Should be slash what? Slash or town one. Right? And then you can see come back here again and I click on this one again. I think I can go back. Let me click on I don't know why this one is different. The other one you only see you only see go back. So I'll click on it again and then add my what? Instagram. Put Instagram link here. This is a LinkedIn. Okay. Put say linkedin.com. linkedin.com slash what slash otanwa what otanwa beans, right? Like that kind of thing. Okay, just get the jig now, so it's not supposed to be that difficult. Okay, so here's your what now for your social media what inclusion on your business page. Then this part where you say is where they have all these pages here. You can click here and then change whatever you want to change or remove from what from here. If you don't want it, what will you do? You can just do what now? Remove it totally. So you don't need it. You see where they say resources here, you can simply remove it if you don't like it. Okay, remove this, remove this. You see now, we are now having a what? A full stop here. I can change this one to what now? To something nice here, right? I can do this. You see where they say copyright here? The year is what? 2025, right? 2025. Come on now, change now. 2025. Okay, say company name is what? It's Otanwa Beans and Bread. Yeah, just say Kwe. Say Otanwa what? Otanwa Beans and what? And Bread Limited. Right? When I'm done, what will I do now? That's okay. I'm done. Next is the what now? So save the work. So save the work. You see now, they say what? You can simply click here and do what now? Say publish and what? Blah blah blah. So you see now, we are good here now, okay? So I can publish this now, then I can return to my what now. You see now that we are now here, Abi. You see everything here is now showing well here. Everything is showing well now. So when I now what have I done now? You can see that my site is now what? Site is ready. Technology. Technology. You see it now? It is simply what? Simply ready for what? For use. Isn't it? So you have to get your WhatsApp link now. Your WhatsApp link is simply your what? It's simply what? It's simply what? WA dash what now? Let me even say the whatsapp.com slash what now? Slash your phone number. Okay. Let me show you something here. Okay, let me go to my WhatsApp. Let me go to my ChatGPT now. Let me go to ChatGPT and then show you now. So, how I'm coming. It's okay. I was okay. How do I generate my WhatsApp link? Oh, no, I don't want to log in now. Now, by force to log in, who them, man? Let me now. It's okay. How do I know my what? My WhatsApp link? Please always ask on what online before you come and start asking me. Can you see it here now? You say what now? You say what? You see it here now, Abi? That's what I just did there now. It's not difficult. I did it there already. Look at it now. Look at I say what notepad now. Let me show you on notepad. You see my notepad here, Abi? Look at what they gave me. You see now this is our WhatsApp now. You see that you say what? You say wa.me slash your what? Phone number. So the same thing applies now. I said that on your WhatsApp now, you do what now? You see, I say https dot what? WhatsApp.com slash what phone number. What is your phone number now? Put your phone number after the slash, and you are good. Is it hard? For instance, I mean for your LinkedIn profile link, come to your LinkedIn profile. Here. This is my LinkedIn Abi. Click on your name. This is your LinkedIn profile link here. Look at it here. What is the difficult inside? Is it hard? It's simply linkedin.com slash in slash your username. I know say some of them say we don't even go username. I understand. Paste it here. This one is your what now? Is your LinkedIn profile. Your Facebook, the same thing applies. Go to your Facebook account, which is here now. Do what now? Open your profile. This is your Facebook account. Log in. Oh, I don't log out for here. Oh, wait. So this now is my what? Please, someone that person should mute. Please, just mute yourself. I beg. I don't want to remove person today. I beg. Come here and do what now? Open your Facebook profile here. This is my Facebook profile now. Okay, open it now. Okay, okay. This is my Facebook profile. Is this one? I'll you see now. You see this one is my profile. So I'll do what now? You see where they say. You see where your name is here. Be click on this your name here, and your this thing will come out here. Look at your username there. You copy it and then you can put it on what on that place there. This you understand it now? Be I should say it one more time because una know now they ask me question. Una know, but they ask me. When I find my mouth, I'm looking for my trouble. Now we are done with our what now? With our website now, the way we want it to look like. Okay. Remember, on a normal website, you know, say on a normal site now, you know, say we supposed to get small buttons here, like like all those display where they put home, about us, this one, that one. You see that one not there here now, Abi, because I just want you guys to do what now? To just do a small, simple site. Yeah, that's just what I wanted to do. Okay. Now, how do we publish our site? Because if you don't publish it now, it is not correct. In fact, it will never be what? It is not visible to anybody yet. If you copy this link now and send to anybody now, this link is not what? It's not usable. This link is what now? Is your own dashboard. It's your profile was linked to this website here. So if you want to send it to your maybe to your brother in what in UK to maybe to come and order maybe order for his girlfriend. Okay, what do you do now? You see say here now there's a small thing that they call publish here. Click on the publish now, and it will show you what that there's a word. You say required word, required title. You say required now. Title is what required. Content with a temporary content slot can be published, right? So I'll do what now? I can say okay. You see where they put this title here. Tap on it now. You see it here now, Abi? Hey. So this is the what the internal what page name. What we call it here now. You can see it here on our website design page now. Now, how would they see this page when they view it from from London, from Panya, from Kafanchan, from Russia, anywhere they are coming from? How would they see it now? You see where they put this page to here now. You cannot put the title here. Say what? Ottawa what? Ottawa what? Ottawa. Okay. Beans and what? And bread limited. Can you see it now? That's our business name now. So when you now come now, can you see that this one now is the what? You see this our page now. This is now our domain. Can you see our domain now? This is our domain now. So instead of us to be having ottawabeans.com, we'll now be having what? 146296389.hs site eu1.com. That's why I was telling Mr. Who that this is not going to be your kind of regular website until you put a what custom domain, which means that you are not going to what now buy a domain for $16 and what now and attach it here. Okay, but I think that one is actually very advanced. Okay, so let us not even bother about that one. So here now, I've not done what now? Now I've not attached that what now? That page to here. Can you see it there? I put it here now. What will I do now? I'll now do what now? Close this thing now. See that I can now see publish here now, Abi. Then click on it now. Say what? Publish. You see now? Here now, you see our content is now what? Published. Share it using the URL below. Where is the URL? Can you see the URL here? This is it now. This is our URL now. So if I copy this now, I can now do what? I cannot share it to anybody around it. If I put it here now and I do what now? Click on enter, it will go. They will be able to view my site now anywhere they are around the world. So if I share with you here, can you see our site now? It's our site. So if I share with you on this Google Meet now, you can even view it even if you are living under Putin's armor tank. You can view it in Russia. You can view it in Panya, Indonesia. Panya, anywhere you can actually do what now? You can view it. Okay. Now, if we were to put this for your customer, what will you do? Go to your WhatsApp and do what now? And put it. But before you share on your WhatsApp, what will you do? Go to what? Go to where they say they call it what? Bit.ly. Go to bit.ly and do what now? Go there to shorten the link. Okay, you can actually make the link to be shorter so that it will look like it can look a bit what? A bit how will I say presentable, Abi? Because you know that thing is just too long. They'll be thinking that it's actually a scamming site, Abi. Paste and do what now? You see where they say what? Let us try and see if we can actually shorten it here. I don't want to pay anything. I don't want to log in. Let me go to tiny URL dot tiny URL can actually do it for me. Let me go here and do what now? Shorten it here. So I'll come in here now and do what now? And you see where they say enter long link here, paste it here to make it shorter. Control C, then I'll verify that I'm a human being now, and I'll do what now? Click on what shorten URL. You see now it's now being short, Abi. I can copy this now and do what now? Paste on my what? On my webs or maybe on my business WhatsApp. Okay. However, if you don't want to, if you want it to be faster for your customer, what will you do now? Use a word QR. You see QR here now, Abi. I can even make it what? I can bring it out like this now. See it here. So you can even paste this on your what now? On your Akara shop. Now, if you paste this on your Akara shop, now if they scan this on, they cannot go and order your product. This is actually how they get your QR code. You see, something not difficult, Abi. So that is just how it is. So if I copy this now, and I paste this on this our meeting here, you see that it's now going to be shorter now. You see now, just a small few characters now, and it is now what? A proper looking what? Website. Can you see how it looks like now? So did you visit on your own part? Did it work for you? Were you able to see our business? Were you able to see it? Did you see our business page? Yes. Now, landing page now, okay, it's not hard now, okay. Click on this landing pages here, and it will take you to where you're going to work and select your template. Click on what? Start from scratch here. You see now, the same thing applies. You see now, we have landing form here. You see landing page form. You see now, you can simply do one. If you don't like it, what will you do now? You can even change what the thing. You see where they say accelerator here. Click on this thing now, and do what now? Click on change theme. Can you see it here? But if you want to work with this one, what will you do? Simply click on what now? Select template, and do what now? Start there. It's as simple as that. See now, this one is what? It's a now a different. It's now a different kind of what? Different kind of. You see it now? It's different. A bit of difference here, right? Little bit different. In fact, even almost didn't know. No, no, now let's say the first page here. The first section actually was simpler here than what we did before. What do you do now? Just name it here, and then modify to suit whatever you are doing as your business. If they sell mbokdekri, put it here. If they sell cars, put car. If they sell quandom, put on here. If they sell akara and whatever, put it here. Okay, it's not something that is that you cannot actually do. It's actually very very simple. Okay, then yeah, for the blog site, put in a wow. Is it not simple? Then you see that we have